Hello and welcome to TUN'SEC, your go-to channel for everything in cybersecurity. In today's video, we're kicking things off with an essential security topic, file integrity monitoring, or FIM. We will use Wazuh, a powerful open source tool, in this tutorial. Now, let's take a moment to understand what file integrity monitoring or FIM really is. FIM is a security technology used to monitor the integrity of files on a system, ensuring that critical files have not been tampered with or altered without authorization. It works by taking a baseline snapshot of your important files and then continuously checking them for changes. If any files is modified, deleted, or added unexpectedly, FIM alert you immediately. This helps organization detect unauthorized change, which could indicate a breach or a system compromise. So, why choose Wazuh for file integrity monitoring? Wazuh is a powerful open source security platform that offers a robust set of features, including FIM. With Wazuh, you can easily configure FIM on your system to monitor critical files for any authorized change. It allows you to integrate FIM into a centralized monitoring system, providing real-time alerts and reporting, like CM. Wazuh also supports multiple platforms, including Linux, Windows, and macOS, making it versatile for different environments. And since it's an open source, you have full control over the configuration and can customize it to meet your needs. Before we dive into configuring file integrity monitoring in Wazuh, let's first make sure we have everything set up correctly. Here is what you will need. First, Wazuh Manager installed and running on your system, and we also the agent which also installed on the machine that we want to monitor. So, to install the manager, we need to download the OVA file from the official site of Wazuh. When we can find it here, so we only need to install this file. It will take some time. So after that, after this file is downloaded, we need to upload it into the VirtualBox. So we only need to upload this file, import the appliance or upload the file, and we can have this machine. So just to verify, we need to verify that the network card is configured as bridged as follow. So we open the and check for the IP address of this virtual machine. So it's opened here. So we have here the IP address is 0.1.9. So we open the navigator and we have this link. So it asks for permission. So we accept the risk and continue. Wazuh dashboard server is not ready. And we have the dashboard here for the Wazuh. So for the username and the password, we have the default login and password, which is admin. Admin. So that's the dashboard. Now we move to adding a new agent. We move to the server management with endpoint summary. So as we can see, we have no agent here, so we need to deploy a new agent. So whether using Linux or Windows or Mac OS, we have to follow this plan. So we have here for the Windows, for the server is going to be the same IP address as this. So 192.168.1.9. We can hear also the agent name. So for example, we have Windows. We only need then to copy this command, open the PowerShell in Windows. So it's going to be run as administrator. We passed command. Finishing installing, we move now to start the client, so PowerShell and start. Now the service is running. Now we need to check again our endpoint. And we finally have the agent here installed. Use the old name that I have already installed the Wazuh agent. So we have the IP address, the version, the operating system, and the date. Now that the basics are in place, let's configure file integrity monitoring in Wazuh. First, we need to edit the osec.conf file to enable the file integrity monitoring. This configuration will allow us to define which directory and files we want to monitor. So the osec.conf configuration file can exist in this link. So we have here the executable, and we have the running services. We have here the config, and by moving, you can look for the file integrity. So we have here, down it's enabled, and we're going to add a new directory to be monitoring for the integrity. So I only gonna copy this line, another one. So we can read here the directory check all. So we have to check all the directory we're going to monitor, report the change, of course, and we need it in real time. And the last we have the directory we're going to be monitoring. So I'm going to add new folder like TUN'SEC. I'm gonna copy this link here and paste it over here. Just gonna save, close, and we need others to restart the agent. So agent is restarted. So for example, we're going to add a new file here, like test file. So if the file integrity monitoring is working well, so we need to console that this file is added to this directory. So I'm going to add another copy. So for checking in, and we have here dashboard of the Wazuh. So we will follow this, our endpoint security for file integrity monitoring. And we have this my agent, and we have here the event. So I have multiple files here. I'm gonna delete, and for example, add new copy of this file. So like test2.txt. I'm just gonna refresh. So as we can see, here are the three files that were deleted in here. So if we are looking inside, we have the IP address agent, which file was deleted, the ID. We have all the three deleted files. And here, if we are going to look, we have the new added file, which is test as copy. I'm gonna refresh just another time. So we all the monitoring that we have, all the files that are edited or modified are all here. So if we can see here, there is the new file that we are renamed. So this is a modification. At first it was a copy, then it is now test2.txt. Congratulations! You've just learned how to set up and test file integrity monitoring with Wazuh. To recap, we discussed the importance of file integrity monitoring, explored why Wazuh is an excellent tool for FIM. We have also configured the osec.conf file, and we tested FIM to ensure it's working correctly. In future episode, we'll explore other Wazuh features such as log monitoring or host-based intrusion detection. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to TUN'SEC, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more cybersecurity content. See you next time.